welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we'll see a term called counter purchase or counter sales. A counter purchase is a particular type of a counter trade transaction in which two parties agree to both buy goods from and sell goods to each other, but under separate sales contract. One form of counter purchase is an international trading deal wherein an exporter agrees to purchase a number of goods from a country in exchange for country's purchase of exporter's product. The goods being sold by each party are typically unrelated but may be of equivalent value. Under counter purchase arrangement, the exporter sells goods or services to an importer and also agrees to purchase other goods from the importer within a specified time. Unlike bartering, exporters who enter into counter purchase arrangement must use a trading firm to sell the goods they purchase and will not use the goods themselves. In counter purchase, the first contract is recorded in the original sales contract, outlining the terms in which initial buyer purchases from an initial seller. The second parallel contract outlines the terms in which the original seller agrees to buy unrelated goods from the original buyer. Basically, this is a contractually enforced relationship between two parties who agree at some point to provide business for one another. A counter purchase is one example of a larger group of agreement known as counter trades. Counter trade is a reciprocal form of international trade in which goods or services are exchanged for other goods or services rather than for odd currency. This type of international trade is more common in lesser developed countries with limited foreign exchange or credit facilities. Counter trade agreements essentially provide a mechanism for countries with limited access to liquid funds to exchange goods and services with other nations. Thanks for watching. Bye.